Hello and welcome to episode 8 of my channel focused on critical infrastructure. My name is Ernie Hayden. Today we're going to talk about an important topic for plant and facility managers: blind spots. You've heard of them. You even experience them when you're driving your car. Blind spots are areas or situations that plant and facility managers and their staff may overlook, which can lead to serious issues, perhaps even environmental spills, plant casualties, injuries, or even death. I even talk about this issue in my book, Critical Infrastructure Risk Assessment, Chapter 5, The Power of Observation. When managing a plant or facility, there are many different aspects to consider. You know that as a plant manager. You know that as a maintenance manager or an operations manager. From safety protocols to equipment maintenance to personnel management, there is a lot to keep track of. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day tasks and lose sight of potential issues. Blind spots can take many different forms. They may be areas of the plant or facility that are not easily accessible or visible, such as storage areas or basements. They may also be issues that are not imminently apparent, such as equipment that is slowly deteriorating or personnel that are not properly trained. The consequences of overlooking blind spots can be severe. For example, failing to properly maintain equipment can lead to breakdowns or accidents, resulting in injury or even loss of life. Neglecting personnel training can result in unsafe work practices, which can also lead to accidents. What can plant and facility managers do to avoid blind spots? Well, first, it's important to establish a culture of safety throughout the plant and facility. This means making sure that everyone, from the highest level of management to the newest employee, to the vendor, to the contractor, everyone understands the importance of safety and is committed to following safety protocols. Second, plant and facility managers should conduct regular inspections to identify potential blind spots. This means looking behind and beyond the obvious areas and being proactive in addressing potential issues. At one site I worked on, they always told us, look ahead, look behind, look above, look below. Always look for issues. Third, plant and facility managers should invest in technology and equipment that can help identify blind spots. For example, sensors can be installed in equipment to monitor its performance and alert managers to potential issues. Finally, plant and facility managers should prioritize training and education for personnel. This means making sure that all employees and contractors and vendors receive regular training on safety protocols and are aware of the potential hazards in the plant or facility. They also need training on critical thinking and attention to detail. In conclusion, blind spots can be a serious issue for plant and facility managers. By establishing a culture of safety, conducting regular inspections, investing in technology and equipment, and prioritize training and education, managers can avoid overlooking potential issues and ensure the safety of their employees and the success of their plant or facility. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, you can find my book at Amazon, and I'm available to offer consulting services in this area. Thanks a lot. See you next time.